Hey guys, please help me out understanding how AutoCAD works because it's really confusing regarding units. So, I opened the Imperial template, right, which is in inches, and I switched it to meters. I switched it using this command, dvg units, right? And now I am in meters. I also have meters in here, units in here, although I'm not sure it's relevant anymore. I used to work in AutoCAD like 10 years ago or so, and back then I think you changed the unit in here, in the units window. But anyway, so now I should be in meters, right? And I have this square, which is 1 unit long, and I'm guessing 1 meters. And look what happens. If I go to layout, I have an A4 sheet of paper, which is quite close to letter standard. So this is my format. And the viewport is set to 1:1 scale. So now I should have a square which is 1 meter wide. So it shouldn't fit the paper, yet I get a square which is 1 inch wide, because I actually printed it and I measured it, and it's not here. Anyway, it is 1 inch wide. Then if I go to model space and if I click print, and so again I have an A4 setting, and if I want to print that square, I have the scale 1:1. I get a 1 by 1 millimeter square. And again, I don't know why is this difference. Also, my square, I think, is 1 meter wide, since I changed the units in meters, so I think I'm working in meters now, and that object is 1 meter wide. So if you could help, that would be great. Thank you.